Okay, in order to attach this, I thought it would be easiest to show you on video. And so what I'm going to do is put a thin line of glue on the flaps that I have folded already. And then you're going to take it and curve it and attach it underneath, if that makes sense. And you're going to use the glue to hold that in place. And then do the same with the other side. And so you just need a few seconds there to hold it in place. And that's how you do one side. And you're going to do this 4 times. So you're going to do it 2 times on your colored cardstock, and then 2 times on your patterned paper. And then you'll put those 2 together. So that one's already attached. And I'm going to go ahead and do this side. Alright, and you may want to pay attention to which side went first, if you care about how that's going to look. So this side was my first one. Much easier. Now, if you like, this is the actual container, but if you'd like to do something with a little bit of weight to keep that in place while you work on your next one, you could just easily put, I'm going to put 2 things of paint inside here and set it off to the side, and that's how you stick them together. Okay, another tip for putting them together is that you may want to follow the same curve as which one is on the outside. And I found that making this one separate and this one separate, the paper separate and then the cardstock separate, and slipping them together was a little bit difficult. So what I started with was the cardstock done, and then I did just one side of the paper curved, and then I slipped the cardstock into place, and then I put the final piece over. So if I'm not too done here, let me see. Now I think I'm already dry. I was going to show it to you. Then my next step would be just to embellish.